And good morning, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Damon Claud, and this is a weather update for today, July 8th, 2024. Hope everybody had a good holiday weekend. I know we did here, but we have a lot of weather to talk about at the beginning of this week. Going to our weather rundown for today, tracking Hurricane Beryl and what it means for the SWKSS region this week. Drier weather into the later part of the week, and the heat makes a comeback by the time we get into next weekend. This is graphics from the National Hurricane Center, as well as the graphics you'll see also in our severe weather update from the Storm Prediction Center. They have issued a level 1 marginal risk for severe storms on Tuesday for the day 2 outlook. Again, we'll talk more about that in the update and the severe weather update at the end of the video. On the left here, we have the track from the National Hurricane Center on Beryl. Or Beryl. I'm not sure how they pronounce it. I've heard it pronounced several different ways, so we'll just go with it. It made landfall in the overnight hours as a hurricane. It is forecasted to move up into our region by Tuesday night into Wednesday time frame. Wednesday, it's just north of Kentucky there as the center. So that is the cone of uncertainty that they always talk about. It's going to wiggle back and forth as we go through time here. Going into tomorrow. So we'll keep a close watch on things. Again, we're going to give you a more in-depth severe weather update in a severe weather update at the end of the video. Also, with Beryl or Beryl, we do have a excessive rainfall out from the Weather Prediction Center. This is the excessive rainfall forecast from them, level 1 marginal risk over our area. Level 2 just bumping into our area there over toward the Paducah region. So we'll keep an eye on that. Again, that too can wiggle around as we move into tomorrow. Take a look at your 5-day weather forecast today. Partly sunny with a high of 91. Light and variable wind becoming south around 5 miles an hour in the morning. Tonight, a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 a.m. Mostly cloudy with a low of 72. Light and variable wind. Tuesday, a level 1 marginal risk for severe storms has been issued with an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms and possibly a thunderstorm after 1 p.m. With a high of 88, east-southeast wind around 3 to 7 miles an hour. Tuesday night, a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather remains in effect with a 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms before 10 p.m. Then showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after 1 a.m. Mostly cloudy with a low around 68, south-southwest wind around 68 miles an hour. Wednesday, a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms, partly sunny with a high of 83, west-northwest wind around 9 miles an hour. Wednesday night, a mostly clear with a low of 65, west wind around 6 miles an hour, becoming calm in the evening. Thursday, sunny with a high of 87. Calm wind becoming west-northwest around 6 miles an hour in the morning. Thursday night, mostly clear with a low of 67, calm wind. On Friday, sunny with a high of 90, light and variable wind. And Friday night, mostly clear with a low of 69 with calm wind. That is all we have for your weather update for today. Again, stay tuned up next for your severe weather update. All right, good morning, everyone. Once again, thanks for staying on with us for a severe weather update. This is the second time I had to record this morning because as I was editing it, our friends over at the National Weather Service Forecast Office of Paducah issued a flash flood watch. So let's jump in and take a look at that first. They have issued a flash flood watch for portions of the area that's in effect through late tonight through Wednesday morning. Impacts are excessive rainfall, rivers, creeks, and streams, other low-lying areas, and flood-prone locations. In addition, this is additional details. This is the remnants of Hurricane Beryl, are forecast to move through the region through late tonight through Wednesday morning. Steady rainfall with heavier rain showers and thunderstorms are expected. Parts of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois may receive 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, with locally higher amounts possible. Parts of West Kentucky and southwest Indiana may see heavy rain in showers and storms, but the total rainfall amounts with the system is less certain. SWKSS counties include Ballard, Carlisle, Crittenden, Fulton, Graves, Hickman, Livingston, Marshall, McCracken, and Union. Again, I'll read those off one more time. Ballard, Carlisle, Crittenden, Fulton, Graves, Hickman, Livingston, Marshall, McCracken, and Union. Those are what are in the flood watch as of right now. Again, we are watching the system closely, so if it does shift around, they may extend that watch over further into other areas. Let's jump into our severe weather update now. Day 2 outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Level 1 marginal risk for severe storms over our entire region. Main risk with these storms are going to be damaging wind gusts, isolated spin-up tornadoes, and flash flooding. So those are our main 3 risks, and I think as of right now, they look pretty good at where we have them. Again, it could go up, it could go down, and the risk areas may shift around a little bit as we get a better idea on the track that it's going to take. That is all we have for your severe weather update for today. Again, keep a watch on updates that we post on the page today through tomorrow. We may even do a live feed somewhere in there as well to keep you updated. And as always, if severe weather does break out, we'll be either live on Facebook from out in the field or at home. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe and have a great day. With severe weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, turn to SWKSS. With our underground reports out in the storm with SWKSS Green Weather Spotters on Facebook Lives. To our severe weather update videos, we keep you informed. Knowing the difference between watches and warnings. A severe weather watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. By following media outlets or internet sources or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, you should take action and move to a basement or lowest floor or interior room away from doors and windows. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck area if possible. If not, kneel on your knees. Put your head down using both arms and hands to cover your head and neck area as best as possible. This should also be done in an interior room, lowest floor of the building, kneeling against an interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you're in a mobile home, you should make plans ahead of time to take shelter in a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you're in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no shelter nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch, covering your head and neck area. Never take cover under an overpass. How can you be ready for severe weather to hit the SWKSS region? Stay informed. Have a flashlight and batteries. First aid kit. Have a family medicines and special needs ready to take the shelter with you. Knowing where to go before the storm arrives. And have all devices charged and ready to go. SWKSS Southwestern Kentucky Storm Spotters cover 17 counties in western Kentucky and 2 counties in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm.